Okay, so you guys are probably thinking I'm pretty weird by now, but I mean, you have no idea what it is like to be an only child. There is nothing to do in life. So, I decided that I would like to bash an egg against my head. Yeah, I'm gonna take a shower after, but it's all good. So, I changed into a shirt that I don't care about. Marching band. So I'm gonna bash this against my head. Let's see. Okay. So here we go. Right there. Right. Ah, damn it! I wanted. Okay. 3, 2, 1. It's a freaking egg. Ah, nothing happened. That's funny. It's a boiled egg. Ah, I didn't even know that. Ah, boiled egg. Ah, boiled egg. All right. Well, I still want to do this, so let me get a real egg. Nya 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 nya. Na 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 na. Proof, real egg. I should put that back in the refrigerator. Yep. Okay. Cream soda. Hey, Chess, you're a cute puppy. Alright, so, now this is a legit egg. You ready for this? I'm ready for this. Let's do it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 5, 5, 5, 1. Holy shikey. And the phone's ringing, so... Hello? Hi, Mom. Yeah, I'm kind of busy. I'll talk to you later. Okay, bye. Yep, she doesn't need to know about this. So, bye-bye.